Hey guys, it's Richie, and today this is my first YouTube video. ASWD is on a voice chat with me, so expect some interruptions. Sorry, but I'm not trying to be rude, ASWD. But today we'll be playing Scrap Mechanic. So, we are in Scrap Mechanic. And when this video is done, it will be my first video. So please don't get mad. ASWD, I'm recording. ASWD playing Subnautica, where there's tons of fish. I hope none of the fish are gonna kill you, ASWD. That there are some evil fish in Subnautica. I'll go back to Scrap Mechanic. Oh, I'm gonna be watching your broadcast. S2. I'll be constantly going back to the broadcast. Wait, I can do something which will allow something. If I change the settings of Scrap Mechanic, they can see your broadcast and my game at the same time. Okay, SWD. It says, please stand by. Is the broadcast over? I'm gonna be playing Scrap Mechanic while that broadcast is gonna start. Oh, by the way, I have some gum over here. So, you can come to 3437 Dartmouth of Irving, Texas, if you wanna come visit me. Now I'm gonna work on my gimbal machine. Oh, look, it didn't. Luckily, I was able to stop it before it fully activated, because it's not done. I'll be testing it along the way. It's not. I'm gonna be working on this. SWD, you can do your stuff, because you can. subscribe if you hear explosions. It's just a potato launcher that it's a corn on the cob launcher that it just blows up into popcorn. Pretty cool. Oh, it's still not working. I think your PC's acting up. By the way, I'm gonna go on a new world so I can build boats because I have to rent mod. By the way, I'm still recording. I just spawned in the water and now I am swimming. Yay. Are you okay? Oh look, now it's working. It's working. SWD, calm down, it's working. I'm just gonna make my sinking ship thing I'm gonna do. Because I don't really know what to say right now. What do I have to eat? ASWD, I don't mean to insult, but I kinda can't understand your language. I'm not trying to be rude though. If I could understand your language, I'd be talking in it right now. I'm watching your broadcast right now and it's working. I'm making a sinking ship, so sometimes I won't be watching the broadcast, but it will be open for the viewers to watch. Okay? So you will be wreck right now. And if I had a second microphone, you could be talking too. Who on here? But what if they already hear you actually? That would be cool. Well, right? ASWD, I'm gonna make this world has no fish I can hit, so I can't hurt any. No fish I can hit. Perfect. So I can't hit any. If I hit any fish, I'll be extremely sad. I'd even put on a memorial thing. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hit a fish though. Even though the ship will split in half. This thing is made to split in half. So I'm gonna build the split in half part. Or for it. SWD, the boat will split in half. It will be transporting fish in fish tanks. It will let them be free. Which is good, because I want free fish. Like, not to eat, like they're gonna be free in the water. So, don't get mad. They're not gonna be eaten. And if I see anyone eating fish, I will tear them apart. I'm looking to see if it's loaded. Just in case you know. By the way, my sister does play Subnautica. I have a sister who really likes Subnautica. And I'm happy that Subnautica even has fish. If it didn't, Subnautica would be kind of pointless, right? Oh, look, Destroyer joined. Destroyer joined me. Nice job. Hi, Destroyer. You're in the voice chat, right? Oh, I didn't. But I will. I will. I'm also gonna get the beta edition. For the... What? No. I can't really hear you. Your volume's too high, Destroyer. That's up. What's it called? Okay. Fisherman